Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Hily dating app not working. So if you're currently having problems with your Hily dating app that it's not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself was that I firstly closed my Hily dating app and instead I went into my settings app in here. So I went into my settings app and then what I did is that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. As you can see, I clicked on general, I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage in here. And then I just simply waited for this page to completely load. And by the way, for some of you, this might take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to completely load this page. But don't worry, just wait for it to completely load, because then what we're going to do after that is to just then, as you can see, we're now able to view all the apps in here. Now we can just scroll down and try to find the Hily app in here. And if you want to be able to quickly find it, by the way, you can just click on this search symbol in the top right corner and just find it by searching for Hily dating app, or you can just click on the app in here if you find it, as you can see in the list. Then we're going to click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here, as you can see, and then click on the blue button here again. So by the way, I did this myself, and afterwards when it was done, sometimes you have to click on it 2 times for some reason. So when it's done, you're just going to go back into your app and then hopefully now it works for you as well.